Well, hey, Seth, I'm glad you're going to have me on tomorrow. I am super excited to get with you guys. We're going to talk about the speed of cash. We're going to talk about cash flow. We're going to talk about keeping businesses in business. That's really what my focus is now, and Flight's going to be the product that's going to help you do that. As of 2 days ago, we introduced the notion of a cash flow calendar. If you Google that, you won't find one, right? It just doesn't exist.
Perfect.
You've probably seen some cash flow forecasting tools. That'll say, okay, well, if you produce an invoice on the 1st and it's net 30, you'll get your cash in 30 days. Well,
you know what I hate about those?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but what I hate about those is all of those tools that do that assume that you're actually going to get paid by or on that due date. I hate that because it's never true.
Solved it.
All right, tell me how.
All right, so here's what we do, Seth. Here's what's
we don't want to spoil it, but just give us like the high-level teasers that are going to make people drool when they think about joining us tomorrow morning.
We analyze every single person's payment behavior.
Wait a minute, because Flight is connected to my QuickBooks Online company, so you can see what the pattern is, so you actually know which clients take longer to pay. All right, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Go ahead and finish. I just get excited.
No, you got it, buddy. I know that he pays in 22 and she pays in 56, and we're able to forecast that out. We can also tell you changes in their behavior individually. Like, hey, did you see that Seth is starting to stretch his payables on you? So the algorithm is fantastic. It solves a lot of the problems that I thought I had with some of the cash flow forecasting, because it goes right down to the individual's behavior.
That's awesome. That's what we've desperately needed. That's one of the reasons why I've insisted on doing this stuff in spreadsheets still, because all the tools that are out there now don't really give you the flexibility to be able to do that. So now looking at that, I imagine, because I know what I would want as an accountant for my clients is the ability, now that I know that we have this, which is awesome, is the ability to then kind of flush out those ones that are slow to pay, so that I can build a process around following up with those people and say, hey guys, I need you to start getting better about paying us faster, or whatever, just so that I can identify the follow-up and set a process in motion to take care of that follow-up.
Hey, guess what? That's what Flight does for you. What we're going to do is we're going to alert you and say, hey, did you see this is happening? Take action now.